Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll be taking a closer look at the Vibe Gel Memory Foam mattress. We'll explore its features, benefits, and what customers are saying about it. So, let's dive right in. Features of Vibe Gel Memory Foam mattress. The Vibe Gel Memory Foam mattress is a 12-inch mattress that combines the perfect blend of comfort and support. Its gel-infused memory foam layer conforms to your body, providing a personalized sleeping experience. This gel-infused memory foam layer also helps with temperature regulation, keeping you cool throughout the night. No more tossing and turning due to uncomfortable heat. The mattress also features high-density foam layers that offer exceptional support and reduce motion transfer. So, whether you sleep alone or with a partner, you can enjoy a restful night's sleep without any disturbances. Durability of Vibe Gel Memory Foam mattress. When it comes to durability, the Vibe Gel Memory Foam mattress is built to last. The high-quality materials used in its construction ensure long-lasting performance. Plus, with its 10-year warranty, you can rest easy knowing that your investment is protected. Benefits of Vibe Gel Memory Foam mattress. The benefits of the Vibe Gel Memory Foam mattress go beyond just a good night's sleep. Many customers have reported improved sleep quality and waking up feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. The mattress's pressure-relieving qualities make it ideal for side sleepers, as it helps alleviate any discomfort or pain. Back sleepers will also appreciate the excellent support and spine alignment it provides. Customer reviews of Vibe Gel Memory Foam mattress. But don't just take our word for it. Let's hear what some customers have to say about the Vibe Gel Memory Foam mattress. Number 1. I've been sleeping on the Vibe Gel Memory Foam mattress for a few months now, and I can honestly say it's the best mattress I've ever owned. It's so comfortable, and I wake up feeling refreshed every morning. Number 2. I suffer from back pain, but since switching to the Vibe Gel Memory Foam mattress, my pain has significantly reduced. It provides the perfect amount of support and cushioning. Number 3. I was skeptical about buying a mattress online, but the Vibe Gel Memory Foam mattress exceeded my expectations. It's incredibly comfortable and has improved my sleep quality. As per existing customer, the Vibe Gel Memory Foam mattress is a fantastic choice for those looking for a comfortable and supportive mattress. Its gel-infused memory foam, temperature regulation, and high-density foam layers make it a top contender in the market. So, if you're ready to upgrade your sleep experience, give the Vibe Gel Memory Foam mattress a try. Your body and mind will thank you. Thank you for watching our product review video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. And remember, a good night's sleep is just a mattress away. Until next time, sleep tight.